Alright, hello and welcome to another P-Dot Ventures video. Today we're going to be reviewing the fishing magnet from Amazon. I'll have an affiliate link down below. What does this come with? 66 feet of paracord. I don't know if it's exactly that or not. We also have gloves that came with it. I've been using them just to test them out. And a little scraper piece here to clean off your magnet. You can see there's some dusty bits on there right now. Usually they'd be wet. Don't know how good the audio is going to be, sorry. It didn't come with the bucket, but it did come with, of course, with the magnet and a little carabiner to clip either the magnet or to your bucket. Keep her with us. It is a great little piece. The gloves aren't like the highest quality thing, but they do get the job done. We'll throw her on, and in the future we are going to have some magnet fishing kind of guides and videos about how much money you could maybe make doing it, what kind of stuff you can find. So stay tuned for those. Make sure to subscribe and like, etc. But we will show it off a bit. But so far I have been liking it. This isn't the prime time location for it because you'd want more of a drop down off a bridge kind of thing for this kind of magnet. In the future we will be testing the kind of double-sided ones that, you know, hook onto the side instead of the top. But I have been pulling out some little bits and goodies here and there, so we'll show it off. I like to let it sit for a bit. You always want to make sure your rope's attached to something. Right now I got it attached to the bucket, and in the bucket I have a big rock. Usually maybe around a tree I'd wrap, but rock bucket combo works just fine. We'll maybe turn it. This is one of the first times I've hit this spot. We actually pulled out a ton of nails that I think were embedded in the mud and the seaweed. There might have been a hook in there as well. But this is all good stuff you want to collect. One, help the river. Two, could be worth some cash. Explained in future videos. That's where the bucket comes in though. And then of course all this extra gunk. One, you never know, there might be some coins or something in there, so you always want to scoop through, but you are just kind of cleaning off your magnet, so it is a bit more effective. Now I believe it was $5.50 pounds, it says in the Amazon listing. And like I said, I do have an affiliate link below. What's that mean? You know, if you hit that, go check out the listing, buy it using that link, I'll get a little bit of kickback from you buying it, and I do recommend checking it out. This is a great starter one so far. I've used her, sorry about that, toss that over. I've used her probably a couple hundred times now for testing for this video, and just because I wanted to get into magnet fishing a bit for the channel and just in general. But we'll go ahead and toss maybe one more time, see what we're at here. 4 minutes. Sorry about that. We're right under an underpass. I'm a bit weary of the bucket being pulled in, so try not to throw too far. top of a bell, I would assume. Like a kids ding ding, you know what I mean? And some other little bits and bobs. But it is seemingly a great little starter piece. Like I said, link down below, affiliate link, possibly in the comments as well. But this thing is just mint. In terms of the line, this is just, you know, my technique here for tying it up. Probably have a video about that in the future if you want to see more stuff to keep it, you know, make sure it's secure. The line, though, I think I seen like 1 or 2 frays in the very little. I'm not gonna look through the whole line, but of course you don't really want that. You could upgrade line though. It's mostly for the magnet that I picked up the kit, but the line is just great, seemingly so far. If I saw it really get like frayed, I'm gonna switch it out. But you know, you always want to keep an eye on your line. There's probably some techniques I could go into in terms of, you know, taking care of it. But other than that, gloves are half decent. Like I said, I'd maybe upgrade, but I was testing out for the video and they work just fine. If there's anything you think I'm missing, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out our other review videos. But like I said, it's a pretty good little magnet product. We'll get a little scenic view here just to show it off. But it's a pretty good little product. And you can start to pick up some little bits and bobs. That's just a big rock that I'm using to hold it in place. And you know, possibly cash in. Videos coming soon, like I said. Make sure to stay tuned for those. And otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.